What's up, guys? Grabbing some quick dinner or snacks from Jack in the Box. Fast food salad. I'll give you a flyby here. And that's what it looks like. Alright. Try the smash burger. That's what it looks like. Pretty decent. Pretty decent size. I didn't get the double. Just got the single. Give that bad boy a try. Pretty good. Thick patty, tender, juicy, lots of flavor. Pretty good. Even though I do really love a quarter pounder, I think Jack in the Box has Jack in the Box Smash Burger, probably one of the best fast food burgers there are. Let's see what else we got. I think the last thing I ordered here was salad, crispy chicken salad. Let's see what that bad boy looks like. Okay, not bad. I mean, decent for a fast food. All right, so let's try to maybe dig in here, but I see salad dressing. That's a good sign. I see. Okay. They did give a fork. Good sign. Let's see what kind. Buttermilk ranch dressing. That doesn't sound too healthy. Alright, well, let's give it a try. I'm sure that adds about 1,000 calories there. And plenty of cholesterol, but I'm sure the chicken, probably fried chicken strips, the crispy chicken strips probably has some calories and cholesterol in it. I probably should have ordered the grilled chicken. I'm sure it's healthier, but hey, at least I compromised. I got a salad, okay? I'm trying, man. To the guy on steroids that was hating on me on my last video, give me a break, man. I'm trying. Not everybody can eat chicken breast salad every day. I do the best I can, man. The guy with, I think I triggered the guy that's doing steroids with 2% body fat. Telling me I need to take responsibility for my choices. This is life, man. You gotta enjoy yourself once in a while, okay? Calm down. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. Looks like a decent salad. Lettuce, cherry tomatoes, some julienne carrots, cheese, lettuce, and then I've never tried the buttermilk dressing. Yeah, buttermilk ranch. It's pretty similar to ranch to me. Not my favorite. A little too thick. probably would have preferred more Italian. Dressing is probably a little bit lighter. Crispy chicken strips. Maybe I should have got the grilled chicken. No flavor. Okay, maybe a little bit of flavor. We'll see. Tastes a little bit. Definitely very crispy. Chicken breast. It is chicken breast, so it's real chicken. Chicken's tender, crispy outside. Has a little bit of flavor, not a whole lot. So if I knew crispy chicken had no flavor, I probably would just order the grilled chicken. The only reason to order the fried chicken is for the flavor. Okay. Decent salad. No, for fast food, that's a decent salad. Just because the chicken had no flavor, I'm gonna give that a 7.5. Got a 4-piece nuggets, and then I got another 4-piece for free from using the points on the app. So total 8 nuggets, and half of them are for free. I think the nuggets are on the $4 value meal for Jack in the Box. So looks pretty dark, pretty crispy. Yeah, a little crispy. Not much flavor. Probably processed meat. Probably fake meat nuggets. Give it a 5. I think the McDonald's nuggets are better. Let's see, what else I got? I got a taco. 2 tacos. I think also on the $4 menu, value menu. Hard shell, there you go. Good or high? Okay. I can get down with that. Has like 1 piece of lettuce there. I guess it comes with taco sauce. Looks like they already put it on it without asking. Well, pretty good. Like 8, 7.5 or 8. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. The next thing I got was the grilled cheese. Okay. Decent sized grilled cheese. That's what it looks like there. Grilled cheese is okay. Crispy on the outside. Looks like probably only 1 measly piece of cheese. I think that's $4 too. Maybe it's 3. Maybe it's $3. I think they could at least thrown 2 pieces of cheese in there. It's not super ooey gooey, but hey. Got a smash burger meal. Oops, came with fries. Losing my fries everywhere. Oh yeah, super crispy. Thin cut fries, well seasoned, lots of salt. Okay. Yeah. Could eat these all day. Okay. It's pretty good, pretty good. So what else we got? Alright. Well, that was it, I think. I think I got everything. Thanks for joining. Click on the next video, guys.